Well, hello there, I'm Christy, and welcome to my kitchen, my newly mini remodeled kitchen. I got a new countertop and sink, and I am loving it. This is actually the first video that I have filmed in my new kitchen. I'm not exactly sure where it's going to end up though, because I schedule my videos out ahead of time, so I'm not sure where I'm going to stick this video, but it is the first one that I have filmed in my new kitchen, and I will be making onion casserole. Now this is my husband Adam's recipe. He said he's not real sure where he got it, but he used to make this probably, I want to say maybe close to 20 years ago. He would make it and take it to work, and it was highly requested. I have actually never tried it though, because he always made it and took it to work. So I'm excited to try it. I tried to talk him into being on film and making this with me, but not everybody is comfortable on camera. I understand. When I first started YouTube, it was pretty awkward and I felt really strange being on camera myself. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna make it. It's only 4 ingredients. So we've got to get started, guys, because it's that time to get cooking. And I am going to follow Adam's instructions and make this casserole exactly how he made it. Now, I found some other recipes out there for onion casserole that's a little bit different, but I'm sticking to how he made it. All right, so I have here sweet Vidalia onions, and I'm not sure exactly how many I'm going to use. We'll see. I'm going to start with 2 to 3 and see where I'm at. All right, now he says to slice them very thin. You could use a mandolin if you want, but I feel like my mandolin is not very sharp. So I'm just going to slice them thin using my knife. All right, so I ended up slicing 4 onions, and they were medium-sized onions. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some of the onions in a bottom of a greased, and I think this is around a 7 by 11 baking dish. Next, you will need Snyders barbecue potato chips. And he says that you must use Snyders, just saying. And you want to mash them up. All right, so I'm going to pour about half of this bag. Then you will need a can of cream of chicken soup. Now I'm just going to kind of make dollops around and then try to spread it out, because spreading it out over the chips is going to be a little bit tricky. But this is how he did it, so this is how I'm doing it. All right. So carefully spread this out. All right, then you'll need some sharp cheddar cheese. All right, and then repeat the rest of the onions. Another can of cream of mushroom soup. And then some more cheese. All right, then I'm going to kind of tint this foil over. I don't want the foil to touch the cheese. I'm just going to kind of create a tint here. And then bake in a 350-degree oven for probably around 40 to 45 minutes. So the onion casserole is all done, and it sure does look and smell delicious. So come on guys, come check it out. All right, so now it is the moment of truth. Oh, it looks cheesy, creamy. Wow, that is so delicious. Those barbecue chips give such a good flavor. This really would make a great side dish. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.